Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now by holding the power button. Don't delay. When the power menu appears, tap and hold Restart for a few seconds until the Reboot to Safe Mode prompt appears. This is the essential first actionable step because it tells the system to restart with third-party apps disabled. Once done, confirm the prompt and your Redmi Note 8 Pro will restart into safe mode. Make sure to watch the lower left corner for the safe mode label as verification. After the phone restarts, verify that safe mode is active by checking the lower left corner for the label. This confirms only system apps run. Now navigate to Settings, then Apps or Installed Apps to inspect recent installs and battery draining entries. This is how you isolate culprits. Use short tests. Open suspect apps, check crashes, and uninstall or disable the problematic app while still in safe mode. Doing this prevents immediate restarts of crashing apps and helps you pinpoint the root cause. To finish, reboot the phone normally. A standard restart removes safe mode and restores third-party apps. If the problem persists after exiting, consider reinstalling the ROM or performing a factory reset, backup data first. If the device won't leave safe mode or is unresponsive, power it off, then hold volume up and power to enter recovery for advanced options. One key troubleshooting tip: if safe mode won't disengage, a failing app or corrupted system cache is likely. Clear cache or remove recent apps before resetting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.